So that police helicopter been since the morning here. It woke me up, so I can't do nothing about it. So look, there it goes. I can't tell that much. There it goes. See, they're flying. I can't see it no more. Oh, when I'm back up there. So, right? So, hey guys, today we're gonna do a startup video, and then maybe. So, I'm just gonna do this video. I'm just gonna be vlogging right now, so okay, let's start. And I'm outside of my house. Let's go to the helicopter. So, hey. Look, there it goes. It's close by my house. Something happening over there. Can't see it anymore. Helicopters are really fast. So, right. I just came out of my house and the helicopter's still out. So, I don't know what's happening. So, I'm just gonna be on my motorcycle. See where's the helicopter going to. There you go. You can't really see it, so there it goes. There's the helicopter. So above my house, so my camera's too blurry right now, so we'll have to go closer. Look, there it goes. Oh, I missed it. So, subscribe, hit the button, hit the like button, and subscribe. So I wanna get 90 likes or 100, something like that. So I'm gonna be doing videos with my friends. So this helicopter's still flying by my house. I don't know why, but something bad is happening. And I can tell, look, the helicopter's right there. You can see it. Tía, a ver qué está pasando. Hay un helicóptero ahí. ¿Ah? Un helicóptero de policía. Maybe it's Donald Trump. I'm lying. Is that true? Dang, when is this helicopter leaving? Look there. There he comes. I can't see him. Oh, there he goes. I'm a Bobby right now. Camera's up. so it's probably the end of my videos, and I'm gonna be doing some other videos. Sorry I couldn't finish the slime video, so I'm gonna try to do another video how to make slime. So remember, hit the like button and subscribe to my video. Bye. The helicopter. Wait, I just want to show you. It's Donald Trump. I'm like, peace. Yay. Yes.